Hello students, today we are going to start with your practical number 5b, that is create a product table in SQL Server and perform insert operation using entity framework code. So currently we will use the entity framework code. To use it, first open your Visual Studio. The entity framework supports MVC architecture. That's why we'll select project with MVC architecture. Create new project, and please make sure that we are selecting model view controller, that is MVC project for this practical. You can give any name to your practical file or a project name. Please make sure that your framework should be greater than 8. That is, support will be from .NET Framework 8 onwards. So I will create my project here. So after creation, you will get this screen. Here, first we have to create our model. To create your model, first expand your model folder, right click, add class. So here you have to give the model name. Currently I am giving the model name as product because we are going to add some product in our database. So I will click on add. After creation of your product model, you have to write this code. To save our time, I'm just pasting the code here. So please make sure your class name should be product, same as your file name. Here we are going to add our ID into database, name and the price. The data type for my name is string, so it will not contain the null value. So please make sure that you have to provide name of a product. Now let's do the next step. Now the next file which we have to create is app DbContext. So I will again right click on our model and then click on class, and I will give this file name as app DbContext. Now inside this file you will get this code, but I'm going to replace the all of the code now. Now after creation of your app DbContext, which is accepting your product details, now you are going to get the error on your namespace. Now how to resolve it? You have to go inside the view, under the view, under the tools, you will get NuGet package manager, and inside NuGet package manager you have to select manage NuGet package for solution. After clicking, you will get this window. Now which package we want? We want entity framework core. So I will go here and let's see the package, browse. Okay, so here you are getting Microsoft Entity Framework Core. We'll click on it, select your project, click on install. Just wait for some seconds. It will ask you to apply. I will click on apply. I accept, and after installation you will get this output as finished. Now we'll go here, we'll save file again. So this error is resolved now. Now we'll create next file. Okay, so now we had created our database, but we need the connection string to connect with it. We are going to use the inbuilt SQL server. So we'll go appsetting.json. Inside appsetting.json, you will get allowed host. After allowed host, you have to keep one comma here, press enter and write down this code. Now, what this code contains? This code contains your string. String of what? String of our server local DB. Currently, we are going to use our MS SQL local DB with the database name product DB, and I'm allowing the trusted connection true. Similarly, trust service certificates as well. Now, sir, why you are writing trusted connection? You can mention your username and password as well for the better security. But currently, I want to allow all users here. That's why I am writing trusted connection is equal to true. You can take the screenshot of this to perform it on your PC. Now the next change we have to perform inside our program.cs. Inside program.cs, you have to write only two lines here. The first one, builder.services, where we'll add our DbContext. जो हमारा connection string था, we'll add that inside our DbContext. But here you are getting one error, use SQL Server. Again, we'll go on NuGet solution. Inside NuGet solution, you have to search for Entity Framework SQL. After searching for the SQL, you will get Microsoft Entity Framework SQL Server. Currently, you are getting three SQL entities. First one, SQL Server, SQLite, and Core SQLite. But we are going to use a SQL Server. That's why I will select SQL Server and click on Install. After clicking on Install, you have to click on Apply, I accept, and wait for this line that is finished. Now we'll check it whether it is resolved or not, and now your error is gone. Now the next part. So we'll replace our home controller.cs with our code. Okay, so what we had written, first we are using the ASP.NET Core MVC framework here. Inside the home controller, we are using the inheritance with our controller class, and we are going to save our context inside our new variable context underscore context. Now what we are performing, we are making the object of our class product P, and we are going to add our name, that is our product name, into the name. Similarly, the price of our product into the price variable. After adding all, we'll add this detail inside our context. What is our context? Our context is nothing but our database. Now where we want to add, we want to add this product inside my products table, and similarly the keyword to add is add, and I will add my object here. Now after this, I will commit the changes by writing save changes, and after completion of this, I will return product inserted successful on my index page. That's why I'm writing return content product insert successful. Now the next step. Now, after performing this all, you have to go inside package manager console. If you are not getting the package manager console, just click on tools. Tools के अंदर you will get NuGet package manager, and you can click on package manager console. Inside the package manager console, you have to write add dash migration initial create. After writing this, your product table will be created, and after this you have to write will update our database. Now after creation of our product table, update dash database. Now I will run this command, and now my database is created. Now let's see the output. After creation of our database, I will run my project to check whether my entries are inserted into table or not. So you are getting the output as product inserted successful, but to verify, first we'll verify it कि क्या ये successfully हुआ या नहीं. So to verify it, you will go inside view के inside you will get SQL Server Object Explorer. Inside SQL Server Object Explorer, expand your local database. I will expand my local database. Inside local database, I will expand my databases, and as you can see, my product DB database is created. Just right click on the product DB, new query, and inside new query, so to check whether we are getting the entry or not, I will write select star, just a second, select star from products. Okay, now I will run my query. So as you can see, there are two entries, one laptop and second one laptop, because I had run this project 2 times. Is it clear, everyone? So we'll perform the practical 5b in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share.